The Recipe Room. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious and juicy roasted chicken from scratch. Roasted chicken is one of the best quick and easy meals you can make at home, and it's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Ingredients. To make this roasted chicken recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 whole chicken, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, any other seasonings or herbs you may want to add. Preparation. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Then, take your chicken and remove any giblets or excess fat from the cavity. Rinse the chicken inside and out with cold water, then pat it dry with paper towels. In a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Rub the mixture all over the chicken, making sure to get it into the cavity as well. Next, drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the chicken and rub it in. If you like, you can also add any other seasonings or herbs that you prefer at this point. Place the chicken in a roasting pan, breast side up. Tuck the wings under the body of the chicken and tie the legs together with kitchen twine. This will help the chicken cook evenly and stay moist. Roasting. Put the roasting pan in the oven and roast the chicken for approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. To check the temperature, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, making sure not to touch the bone. While the chicken is cooking, you can baste it with the juices in the pan every 30 minutes or so. This will help keep the chicken moist and flavorful. Once the chicken is fully cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for 10-15 minutes before carving. This will allow the juices to redistribute and make the chicken even more tender. Resting and carving. To carve the chicken, start by removing the twine and cutting off the legs and wings. Then, slice the breast meat off the bone in thin, even pieces. You can serve the chicken with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make roasted chicken from scratch. If you liked this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking! Thanks for watching.